sounds really strange, but sometimes I think, like, what if we're just living in a computer simulation or something?
I don't know.
Oh, Barbie, you're so funny. Oh, by the way, your hair just looks wonderful. The baby.
Don't worry, girls. I'll take care of it. Daddy's coming.
Okay, team. Be careful. This is some very dangerous stuff we're carrying.
There. No need to fuss. Daddy's here.
Daddy? You know, with the advances in artificial
Ladies.
intelligence...
Ladies, there's a fire!
Oh my, that's kind of hot. Are you okay? I hope you weren't burned. No, I'm fine, but how's my hair look?
We really should have fire sprinklers. Oh, here's the switch. Okay. Okay, now, where's the baby? Little one, where are you? Oh no. Baby! Okay, where's the baby? Come on, where's the baby? Baby!
Daisy?
Okay, Mr. Fireman, you won't believe what's happened, but my baby is giant and he's on top of the house. You've got to hurry. Come on.
Oh, yeah. I've seen this before. Your baby must have crawled through some toxic sludge.
Daisy?
Don't worry. I'll spray it off of him. You pilots, be careful. Don't get too close. What did I tell you? Oh my goodness. We're gonna need the antidote. I have an idea. Let's hope the baby's thirsty.
I think it might be working. It worked. Oh no! Oh, little one, you really gave me quite a scare today. Thank you, Mr. Fireman.
Well, I'm just saying,
ladies.
if you live in a simulation, we
Ladies.
wouldn't even know it. Yeah, I guess I just don't really
Ladies.
think about that sort of stuff.
Never mind.
Whoa!
Wow!
So cool!
Wow! Hey, watch it, Buster!
Sorry! It's gonna be fun!
That's it!
Aw, yeah!
We have liftoff.
It's my turn!
Oh! I want it! I want it!
Yeehaw!
Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh no! Oh my gosh! Interesting. So beautiful! Get ready. Okay, boss.
Let's go. Oh no.